Experience driving perfection in the 2016 Toyota Sequoia. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, a headlight cleaning system, remote keyless entry, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.